told my assistant Jessica at the time when we started implementing this is that we need to do this while we're small, because it's going to be a lot more difficult when we're big. And I don't mean that you can't do this while you're big. It's just a different set of roadblocks that you need to navigate. And don't be afraid to jump in, because your only regret is going to be that you didn't do it sooner, that you didn't get this data sooner, that you didn't get these actionable insights sooner, you didn't train your people sooner, because the longer that you're in it, it compounds over time. I had weeks, months, years worth of data now that I can make actionable insights on. And when we go to approach a new customer, we have all that data we can show them. This is what we've delivered for other customers in the past, and this is what we can deliver for you. And we can show that in a report. Aptean's really changed our business. I think it's hard to get that out of customers sometimes, because we're still stuck in the day-to-day. But it's made a huge impact on my life, but also my employees' lives. We get work done. We're not as stressed about what our timelines are. Everything just is so clear now for everybody involved. And so I'm really appreciative for everything that Aptean has helped us with to get there.